Alright, craps fans, welcome back. Scott from Paradise Craps. Session 2, day 8. Session 1 was a total wipeout, minus 921, which is exactly what happened yesterday. So let's see how we do in session 2 after our first cup of coffee. See if we can get some of it back. Yesterday we had a pretty good run after that. Looks like I'll probably have to go more than my 25%. That was more like 50, 60%. Let's see how the fours treat us. So hard 6 is a point. So again, it looks like every 3 or 4 sessions is going to be a wipeout. So maybe that's just to be expected. Andrew makes it sound like, Andrew from Craps Down Under makes it sound like it's so improbable that you won't see, 4 fours, but I do see 4 fours and I see it with some regularity. So unless I'm doing something different as far as random probability, which I don't believe I am, maybe that's just what you need to expect. All right, so there's 150, lay 4. We parlayed, so we had a $100 lay 4. We won 50. We're parlaying it. $3 vig. I had a $2 vig out there to start with. $1,000 bankroll coming out. 617 come out 7. All right, so it's a winner. $75 winner. Take our 50 back down. $2 vig, back out for 100. Still looking for a point. 6, 4, 2, 6. 6 is a point. I still like the strategy, but you better make sure you have the bankroll to be able to handle those streaks of 4s because they're going to happen. 617, so it's a $50 winner. And we're going to parlay that, another $3 vig. Coming out. That's a 527, come out 7. So that's the beauty. So you get 4s and streaks, but you get 7s and streaks, and you should see more 7s based on the probability of the 7 over the 6, or over the 3, over the 4, right? You got 6 ways to make the numbers. I just wasn't saying it correctly. 6 ways to make a 7, only 3 ways to make a 4. All right, so that's a $75 winner. Take our 75, go back down to 100. Again, this is Andrew from Craps Down Under's 112 strategy. Coming out. And that's a 527 again. So that's the beautiful part is when you get that into that streak of 7s. Okay, so we're going to parlay that $3 vig. Did I have my $2 vig? Yeah, I think I did. All right, 5, 3, 8. 8's a point. Finally got a point. Man, those 7s, that's glorious. All right, box cars. Did not want to see that on the come out, which is good. It's the only way we can lose our pass line with our Dewey Doing out there. 6, hard 6. And there's a 3 craps. And there's a hard 4. Yeah, I was almost thinking we hit so many 7s, we probably should have backed off of that and gone down to like $50. All right, so we're down behind. We lose our 150. I'm going to go ahead and press it up to 3. It's going to be a $7 vig. Going to pay 150. And there's a 3, 4, 7 out. All right, so it's going to pay us 150. We'll stay out there for the 150. And that's going to be $3 vig. Coming out. There we go. Take the don't, pay the line. 516. Point hit. 6, 2, 8, easy 8. 4, 2, 6. Oh, shoot. No roll. Dice off the table. Or dice in the table, it looked like. 628, so that's a point hit. Why I like the Dewey Don't. Don't have to worry about it. 6-4-10 down in the end. 6, hard 6. Looking for big red. 6-4-10, point hit. 5-1-6. 6 is the new point. 6-1-7 out. All right. Okay, so that's going to pay us 75. I'm going to go back down to 100. Okay, and that's a $2 big. Looks like we're going to need some more singles after this one. Coming out. 4-2-6. 4-5-9. Box cards, midday. Double in the bubble. 5-2-7 out. All right. Okay, so we're off. That's going to pay us 50. And we're going to use a quarter to get us another 20 in singles and a nickel back. All right, so that's going to be a $2 big, $3 big. $6-3-9. Yo, 11. 9 off the 9, point hit. 6-1-7, come out 7. All right, so it's going to be a $75 winner. Take our 50 back. $2 big for $100. All right, let's see where we're at. I got 7. There's 1,000. 1, 2, 75, 3, 4. Oh, we're pretty close to 500, which is, I don't want to go. Oh, crud. There's a 4 down behind. All right, so we lost that. We're on the 4. Let's go out for another 300. Be a little aggressive there. All right, 300 is going to pay 150, so that's a $7 big. There we go. Big red, big red. 4-1-5. Midnight. 5-2-7 out. All right, good. Okey-doke. When it's smooth, it's smooth. When it's not, it's not. All right, so that's going to pay us 150. We'll go ahead and stay out for the 150. Put our 300 back. Okay, that 150 is going to be a $3 big. Let's see if we can get a couple more hits here. Coming out. 4-2-6. 6-1-7 out. Perfect. All right, so we're off. And that's going to pay us 75. Take our 50 back. Back out for 100. $2 big. All right, let's see where we're at here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're up 500 already, 5 and change. Well, we'll go one more. One more try. Okay, that's a yo 11. I don't know what I'm trying to say. There we go, 5-2-7 out. Okay, or it's come out 7, I should say. Come out 7. All right, so that's a come out 7. It's going to pay us 50. We'll parlay it. $3 big. Still looking for a point. Oh, 6-4-10 down on the end. All right, so we're down there. Here's a 11. Go. 616. Sorry, this video is a little bit longer, but I've got a $921 hole I'm trying to dig myself out of a little bit. All right, 617. And that's the beauty of this strategy also that I really like is, you know, the probability is in your favor. Again, 6 ways to roll a 7, 3 ways to roll a 4, 2 to 1 overall, right? Over a large sample, which we're not doing a large sample, we're doing a very short game. And that's why we get streaks of 4s and streaks of 7s. But in general, if you can withstand those 4s and make it to the 7s, you're in a pretty good place probability-wise. And then there's roll distribution, right? So you got probability, which never changes, always the same, every roll. But then you get roll probability. So you know that over time, you should see a certain number of each of those combinations based on their probability. So if you're starting to see a lot of 4s, okay, chances are you're going to be able to see a few 7s maybe before the 4s come out again. That's just the overall bell curve and the distribution of those numbers. Okay, so we're done. Session's over. We got our $75. We'll take that. Here's another 100. All right, so here's what we got. Let's add it up. All right, so let's see, I got, you know, that's 25. That's 25. That looks like 25. All right, so there's 75. Color those up. All right. And then we got a lot of greens here. Let's just count them up. So we got, wow, no uneven dollars this time. So there's our 5. All right, so we got 8 here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. So that's what? 17, right? 8 and 9, 17. 1705, and we started with 1,000, so that's 705. That's a pretty nice dent. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 back, and there's our 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $705. Nice. Okay. So that's session 32 plus 705. So now we're only down 221 for the day. We'll get that back. See if we can end up $300 or $400 up by the end of the day. Couple more sessions. All right, so I'm going to go back, take a nap. Go back out, try it again. Thanks for watching. Again, this was Scott from Paradise Craps, rolling out Andrew from Craps Down Under, 112 strategy, lay strategy. I'm doing a 30-day challenge. This was session 2 of day 8, overall session 32, and I will upload it momentarily. Have a good day. See you next time.